It was a bright and cheerful morning when Bibiana and Galen tiptoed into the kitchen. Bibiana's hair bounced with each step, and Galen, rubbing the sleep from his eyes, grinned at the sunbeams dancing on the floor. "Good morning, Mom." Bibiana sang, her voice sparkling with excitement. Mom turned from the cupboard, aproned and cheerful. "Good morning, my little chefs. Today, we're making something special." Galen's eyes grew as round as saucers. "Pancakes?" he asked hopefully. Mom giggled and ruffled his curly hair. "Even better, crepes. Thin, soft, and super yummy." Without missing a beat, Mom clapped her hands, signaling the fun to begin. She placed a big bowl on the counter, its silver sides gleaming in the morning light. "First, we make the batter," she announced. Bibiana eagerly scooped flour into the bowl, a small white cloud billowing into the air, like fluffy snow, she said, her nose dusted with flour. Galen, determined not to be left out, picked up an egg and tapped it solemnly. Crack! It landed perfectly, bright yellow in the bowl. "I did it," he cheered, his first egg with no shell bits. "Now pour in the milk," Mom said. Galen poured slowly, tongue poking out in concentration. Bibiana held the bowl steady, teamwork twinkling in their eyes. "Time to whisk," Mom proclaimed. Swish, swirl, swish. They took turns stirring until the mixture became smooth and shiny like melted pearls. "It looks like magic soup." Bibiana laughed, dipping her finger in for a tiny taste. While they tidied up, Mom placed a frying pan on the stove and added just a pat of butter. It sizzled and danced as it melted. "It's melting," Galen said, bouncing on his toes. "That means it's ready," Mom smiled, swirling the pan so the butter covered every bit. She poured in just enough batter, guiding the thin stream as it spread in a perfect circle. "See how it spreads thin?" Mom asked, tilting the pan gently. "Like a pancake wearing pajamas." Galen giggled, imagining a pancake dressed up for bedtime. Soon, little bubbles popped up through the crepe. "Time to flip," Mom declared. Bibiana clutched the spatula with Mom's steady hand guiding hers. "Ready, steady, flip." Up it went, soaring just a little, and landed perfectly with a soft plop. "We did it," Bibiana cheered. Galen clapped until the pan almost wobbled. "Best flip ever." One by one, creamy golden crepes slid onto a plate, making a warm, delicious-smelling stack. "Now the best part," Mom winked. "Filling them." Bibiana scattered slices of strawberries atop her crepe, shiny and red. Galen spread a chocolate layer with a careful finger, and yes, a sneaky lick. Mom added sunny banana rounds, her favorite. "Fold it like a cozy blanket," Mom showed, rolling the crepe snug around its treasures. Together they took a big, happy bite. "Mmm," all three hummed, cheeks bulging from the feast. Mom wiped a smudge of chocolate from Galen's cheek and turned both children close. Cooking is about following steps, being patient, and helping each other. "And sharing," Bibiana chimed in, her arms tossing around Galen. "And eating." Galen grinned with a mouthful of strawberry. They all laughed so loudly the kitchen seemed even sunnier. As plates emptied, they made a secret promise to cook together again and again. As the morning stretched, Bibiana whispered, "Mom, this was the best morning ever." Galen yawned, full and happy. "Let's make crepes again tomorrow." Mom hugged them both. Anytime, my little chefs. In their cozy kitchen, sunlight warming their faces, they understood. The yummiest memories are always made together. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.